Hmm. This specimen. Where did it come from? We definitely did not make it. Well, what do we do now? Release it?
You're lying for me. Sorry, but you're lying.
Who knows? Maybe it's gonna be dangerous or something. Well, it's best to keep it here, you know? Come on,
Yeah.
let's go to bed. Let's go to bed. What was that noise? Yo, I think a glass broke, bro. Yo, something broke, bro. We need to check it out, bro. Nah, bro. It's K, bro. Yo. Yo. No, please, no, please, no.
Don't.
No, please, not me, please.